sky. In just 12 months, they have filled our gates with typical adults, adorable surprises, and unforgettable moments. But maybe Alan and Urbina Flor may not fully understand what today is all about. Their presence has already touched our lives in the most beautiful way. We are truly grateful to have each one of you here to share this moment with the family. Their love, support, and prayers have been part of this wonderful journey. So please relax, enjoy, and let's make this full of smiles, fun, and happy memories. Once again, welcome to Baby Allen Christopher Pinford
Oh, palakpak!
birthday celebration.
Oh, palakpak!
Pagtingin po ng isang batas na palakpakan.
Wow!
Welcome to Baby Allen Christopher Pinford first birthday celebration. So, let's begin by inviting Tita Florin Pinflor to say a few words or welcome message to our visitors.
Hello, salamat ang mga bisita, mga silinga, mga kapaturan, mga sangkayan. Salamat tayo mga salamat tayo ano ba? Salamat. Ali.
So, thank you so much, Tita Florin. So, this time, ay mga bata. Gusto niyo makuya? Oo, sige. Let's have first a first game.